I'm Open National Trainer Brian DeVore. This activity is called Rocking and Rolling, and it's from our new Educational Gymnastics module. In this activity, students will be split up into 5 different stations. Each station has a mat and one of these activity cards to coach them along through the activities. At each of the mats, they'll have an opportunity to do some rolling and some different tumbling activities as they progress with their friends. Teachers, make sure you review all the rolling safety protocols that are in this module and any additional ones you want to add. And as an added bonus, there's a safety checklist on each of the activity cards. Let's give it a shot.